Bro. Bro. No, what's on? What? I'm gonna blow. I'm gonna go to this. All you gotta do, stay calm and look at the lights up there. Up there. Three, two, one. Come on! Blow it! Well, really, bro, you had me roar for like 20 seconds right there. And you